Welcome to my channel. That was so weird. Okay, let me try again. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peyton, for those of you who don't know me, and today I'm going to show you how I got this effortless, messy, air quote hair. I don't really know what to call it. It's literally like I just woke up. I didn't brush my hair, but most people don't have hair that looks like this when they wake up, so I'm going to show you how I make it look like I just woke up. If that's something that you're interested, then please keep watching, and if you're not interested but for some reason want to keep watching, you can keep watching too. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is try and take my hair down. Schmeeks with me, if you couldn't tell. Okay, so my hair is a little greasy, but that's what this whole video is about. I'm gonna just refresh. So first off, I'm gonna take this r+co Death Valley, it's dry shampoo. This light really is light. Okay, so I'm gonna dry shampoo my roots. I love this dry shampoo because it is clear, so you really can't use too much, and it smells so good. And then I just brush through. So the dry shampoo kind of goes throughout all of my hair, because it's not just your scalp that needs the dry shampoo, and it just helps distribute it evenly. I feel like that's kind of self-explanatory, but I also already know.
Chill out, little baby. Say hi. This is Shmi, making a guest appearance.
Okay, chill. Just sit. Okay, so as I do with pretty much every single hairstyle I do my traditional like 3 sections, the bottom, starting from the bottom. So, doot. And for this I'm gonna use a flat iron. I don't normally use flat irons, but I've been just kind of experimenting with trying to make totally natural waves. So I'm gonna straighten out these ends, and then I'm gonna go back up and add a little texture. So I have brushed through this. There's no tangles at all, and I'm gonna hold it all the way at the very ends and hit it quick. See? Pretty much straightish. Doesn't have to be perfect because I'm trying to make it look like I'm one of those girls with perfect hair that doesn't have to do anything, but lucky that. Cool. So now I'm going to start from the top, and I'm just gonna like try and make a weird S shape. See what I'm doing here? Probably doesn't make sense, but here we go. So there, and then flip it. Yeah, so it's kind of weird because it seems very opposite of what you've ever done. I'm literally just putting kinks in my hair. So I straighten out the ends because my hair is fuzzy, but this is not necessary. I just always do it because I want it to look like my hair is as long as possible. Okay, so clamp out, up. It's like you're zigzagging. And it kind of looks like shit, but that's all. Kind of looks like shit. So don't worry if it looks like shit, because at the end it won't. Well, it's actually kind of, I mean, I guess it just depends on who you are and if you like this sort of, I don't even brush my hair look. Unfortunately, my I don't brush my hair look is like a bunch of noodles that were once wet, plopped down on a plate, and then dried again. Yes, so what I'm saying is my hair looks like dried wet noodles. And that's just not my style. So instead, I do things like that. Okay, so this piece you can actually see a little bit better of what I'm trying to achieve here. It's just kind of like really soft pleats. Pleats? Zigzags. This is really the most important part, is making sure there's no tangles. Because if you put heat to something that's in a knot, it makes the knot even stronger. So it's harder to get out, and it burns it, it crunches it. It's just not good. So always brush your section out before you put heat to it. And this is just what I do for the entirety of my hair. What's cool about this method is that you don't have to worry about what way you're doing a curl, because you're never making a full curl. It's just like a kink, 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 kink. And this takes practice. It's really weird. It's a weird motion, and just practice. So I'm gonna do this with the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you once I get to the top. Okay, once you get to the top, you part it where you want it, and continue. Hair is all really about the preparation, the tools you use, patience, and repetition. I feel like literally that's something almost everything in life takes, is if you start with something bad, you can't really expect it to turn into something good. So start with all the right tools, the right untangledness, and that can be a metaphor for something else. Anyways, now I am just telling you how to live your life. That's not what this is about. This is about hair. So this is the finished, or this is right after I finished ironing it all. And then this is kind of just what I always do, is I fluff it around, shake it up, shake it up. And then my hair is always really flat. I just was born that way. So I like to use a little bit, or add a little bit more grit and texture to my hair, especially to the roots. So this r+co dry texture cream, it's called Sandcastle, and it's literally like a, it looks like this. It's like a weird, dry, sandy paste. It really does feel like tiny little particles of sand and butter, which seems gross, but it is like if you ever got butter on your fingers with a little bit of super fine sand. That's what it feels like. But then it's magical. So it's on your fingers all, now it's like clear. And I just do this. And when you put it on the roots and put it in your hair, it just bumps it up a little bit, and it's cool because it also absorbs excess oil on your scalp. It seems weird because it looks oily in your hands, but then you put it on your hair and it actually helps to absorb oil, so it's kind of like a dry shampoo too. Cool. You could even put some in the rest of your hair, but I always start with a little bit of this, and then you could always add more. And so since now I'm gonna put it through the rest of my hair, I'm gonna get it all in. You can kind of hear that, right? Sandy. Cool. And this is the finished hair look. This is the finished look. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will also put my Instagram handle somewhere on this screen. I really appreciate you watching if you made it all the way through this video, and I really hope you found it informational. If you have any video suggestions or comments or questions about hair and this look, just comment. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and that's just about it. Thank you. Bye.